Hi guys, what I'd like to show you this afternoon is how I structure my what I call a triangular bet. Now I'm going to send you or make it available to you a template so you can use this yourself. But the principle of it is you have three horses. You select three horses. I like to try and find them to get good value. I like them to find 5, 6 to 1 or higher. The reason being, all three have to be placed or win. Right? If one of them goes down, we've lost our dosh. So on this template, it works out that I put on personally 100 rand on each bet. And there are 4 bets. I'll show you how to do it. This is the template, and what you have to do is, first of all, you put your horses in, the 3 horses that you want. The second thing you put in are the odds. I put in the tab odds because it includes your stake, and the tab odds for the place. Put in your race numbers and the horse saddle cloth numbers. When you've got that in, underneath here, which you can't alter but it's all worked out for you, it shows you the 4 bets that I would be putting on. Now they're known as either ATC, which is all to come, or a multiple bet. So in other words, your profits from your first bet go on to the second bet, and the second bet onto the third bet. But the way we do this is that if we get one winner out of the 3, for instance, the first leg here, we've got in race 5, number 3, Imperious Destiny. Now if that wins, this particular bet, the winnings go onto a place on Shipolaya and a place onto Natyam. Right, so if that happens and you put 100 rand on, and those are the odds, then your 100 rand would win 4,662. Now the same thing for the second horse, where you've got a place win place. The same thing, 100 rand there goes onto the place on this one, onto the win, onto the place. Third one goes to the place, win. And finally, you've got place. Now, the interesting thing about this is that you can put your own horses in here with your own odds, and you can see underneath exactly how much you'll win. So these, for instance, here, if we take out say they'd all got placed. 1 second. All got placed. Then underneath you'll see that it's all changed here for 1-0 on there because we haven't got a winner. Right? There's no winners there. But you've got your 3 places, your 400 rand still brings in 1,890. Now, if one of them wins, for instance, let's put this back, I can't remember what it was, say 7 to 1. You have then changed it so that you go place onto a winner, which wins 6,300 plus your 3 places. I've sent this to you because it's a nice bet. You can win a lot of money on it, and you get interest in every race, and even if you're placed, you can make your money on. And what I'm doing is, when I'm doing my watch list now, I'm highlighting for you the best 3 horses that are value for money. If the banker fits into that, it'll be in there as well. Otherwise, your banker will be another horse, which is perhaps it might be a lower priced horse, might be even money, and that is the horse that you'd use as a banker in your exotics. And I personally don't back such short priced horses, but this is great. If you want me to send you the link to this Excel sheet, or you can even download the Excel sheet, I can give it to you. Just let me know and I'll send it to you. But it's a lovely piece of software I've designed, and it's yours because you're a subscriber and you're supporting me. Okay, enjoy it, and let's see how we get on.